Well, howdy, everybody. Once again, we are coming to you from somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Today, in the middle of nowhere, we have got our CZ 457 from J Delta 22 back out on the range. And we're just going to kind of start where we left off. And that would have been, that's going to be testing some more Aguila. We were having some uh, mixed to good results. And man, this one being super extra standard velocity, I think just about did the best outside of a few light primer strikes, but it grew pretty good, man, for some more budget friendly ammo. And so we went to go try and get some more, and they did not have more. Well, at the academy, what they did have is this Aguila standard velocity. This is not super extra. This is just Aguila standard velocity. So it says on the box, this is a 1,130 feet per second. As to where this box doesn't have any ratings on its speed, so I got no idea. But we're gonna shoot 20 rounds of each and see which one comes out on top. Well, we're ready to do this. I'll go ahead and get these glasses off so I can see. Yeah, man. Starting with the red box first. I've not shot any of this ammo in this rifle, so I got no idea what to think. Well, I think that we can just shoot it, and we're going to find out together. Now we've got our ARA target downrange at 50 yards. We're going to start on the, this is the number one target on the top left-hand side. Oh, that felt a little crunchy going in there, but it went. Let's see what happens. All right, we are high and left. Oh, that's a first round deal. Cold bore, whatever you want to call it. Fouling shot. All right. All right. This is number 5. So, 4 of them did what they were supposed to, kind of. It appears that may be about half an inch or so. We're going to move to the number 2 target and see if we can do any better. And the wind's picking up, but we're just going to hold dead center on that target. Well, that one's kind of landing where we left off. And we're having some difficulties. Did not extract. Oh. And that was something that I did not want to deal with. I forgot to bring my my cleaning kit so that we would have a rod to do this properly with. But we didn't have any extraction issues with this Aguila last time. So this is something new. Hopefully this does not persist. Now, where were we? It's just not picking up. It's kind of funky, man. It didn't happen like this. But look at that group, man. That is not bad. So I guess this rifle doesn't mind this Aguila too much at all. We're over here to target number 3. Try again. All right, well, there's a flyer. So we'll call it. Yeah, that one landed in a different spot than the other group. Huh. I don't know why our point of impact would be shifting. So that one opened up a bit, man. That's not good. That's about an inch, I think. So, moving over to target number 4. Maybe it'll come back together. It appears that, no, it's not. Maybe. So, once again, man, I don't think that's going to be bad. It appears like it's kind of half an inch. But we'll know more when we go down there and check. So just give us a second. We're gonna load up these mags with this super extra standard velocity. We'll be right back. Well, we got our mags loaded up with our super extra standard velocity. We're going to start on our second road down, target number 6, I think it is. Our wind's picking up, but I don't think it's really hurt anything. Shooting just about the same spot. We're not. Yeah. So, wow. I guess we can already tell a big difference. uh, Target number 7. And a light primer strike. Now, ain't that something? I guess it's kind of similar to the other. Get a 1-inch group, then you get a 1/2-inch group. So not too bad, man. This is very cool. This ammo is not expensive by any means. And honestly, this is probably shooting just about as good as some of the, well, except for that. Just threw that round on the ground. Shooting a little bit better than some of the SK products that I've ran in this rifle. So that's something to be said about that. Well, that may be a little over 1/2 inch, but man, I don't know if I'm gonna win any challenge targets with this stuff. But man, look at it go. Ouch. I think that first one was kind of on me. Yeah, maybe not. Like primer strike. That didn't happen with that red box, now did it? All right, well, guess from here, it appears that the red box did a little bit better. So let's go down there and take a closer look. Well, here's our target. And it's, guess it looked better from back there through the scope. Sorry, guys. Trying to get situated. Well, we started right there on our #1 target. And that gave us a little over an inch. But those 4, forgot to put my glasses back on. Those 4 about 3/8 or so. This next group was pretty good, guys. I'm guessing that's a 1/4 inch. Pretty close to it. The next one opened back up again. I don't get that, man. How do you go from 1/4 inch back to a full inch? I don't know the answer to that. And then we went back to 1/2 of an inch. So what would that pretty much equal, guys? That's pretty much a 0.5 average, I would guess. And so we came down a row and started with our blue box. And well, we stayed under an inch, but it's 7/8, so whatever that means. And then we got our next group. It's 3/8. Next, that appears to be 3/4. And once again, this one turned out to be about 5/8. So, I don't know, guys. What do y'all think? I think that the red box did a little bit better, honestly. Well, it's just because we got that out of the deal. I mean, both of them are pretty similar, man. This, the blue box didn't get over an inch, and the red box did, but then the red box tightened up a little bit better. I don't know, guys. You tell me. What do you think was more consistent? Or does anybody know any more about this Aguila and what you should expect out of it? So y'all just sound off down there in the comments. And guys, we love y'all. Hope y'all are having a blessed day. And we will see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.